Hello, I'm Louise from the Cotswold Sewing School and I'm here today to show you how to create a single pleat. Today we are using the fabric Cheeky Monkey, lovely and vibrant from Just Fabrics. The first thing we need to do is we need to measure and mark out the position of our first pleat. The way we do that is we first of all mark in a half gap size from the edge of our curtain. A half gap size in this instance is 5 centimetres. So we're going to pop a pin at our 5 centimetre mark. This is the start of our pleat. And now we need to measure our pleat size from our first pin. And today our pleat size is 15 centimetres. So we now need to come across to the 15 centimetres to pop our second pin in. Now that we've got our pleat marked out, we need to bring the two pins together to create our first pleat. Now that your pins are aligned with each other, just double check that both edges of your pleat are level so that when you sew them at the machine, you've got a straight pleat. Now you're ready to machine stitch the baseline of your pleat. At the machine, you want your needle to be lined up with where your pins are. And a quick tip that I find really useful is to ensure that I'm sewing a straight line along my pleat. I actually use Scotch tape or decorator's tape just to mark out the edge of my pleat. So I line up my pins, and then where the edge of my pleat is, that's where I've popped my tape. You can remove your pins. Again, just double check that the edges are level at the top of your pleat. And now you can position your curtain. I always find it's easier to make sure the whole of your foot is starting on the curtain, because we all have different levels of sewing machines and some will struggle more than others, especially when they're coming through buckram. We do like to reverse stitch to secure any stitch, but if your machine is struggling, you don't have to worry about going all the way to the top because that part will be hand stitched anyway. Just go as far as your machine will take it. And then I'm going to back stitch as far as this machine will let me. And then I'm just going to concentrate on keeping the edge of my pleat along the edge of my tape and just start to feel for the bottom of your buckram now. When you get close to that, what you're going to do is you're going to come just past the bottom of the buckram and then we're going to back stitch. And it's that easy to create your single pleats. Single pleats can be a curtain heading on their own, or they form the base of a double, triple pleat, or even a cartridge or goblet pleat. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please like and subscribe below. If you're interested in creating double pleats, then please click on the link in the description below. If you're interested in any soft furnishing or upholstery courses, then please check out the website of the Cotswold Sewing School. If you are looking for fabrics for your next soft furnishing or upholstery project, then please check out the website of Just Fabrics.